Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on AUD, USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that AUD USD showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture looking at monthly time frame. Now from the monthly we see that AUD USD is long term bearish market. From this resistance zone we have seen there is an impulse drop correction to the same resistance zone, and again another impulse correction to the same resistance, and we see that it is in another impulsive phase. This is the bigger picture, and we saw that from the same resistance there is a long bearish engulfer followed by previous months there is a doji, which is in fact a continuation pattern. Now with that continuation pattern, what we have seen that AUD USD this month crossed the previous monthly high. This doji grab the liquidity from the top, and now the price is rejecting. As there is a monthly close coming very soon in 3.5 days, we could see AUD USD this monthly candle is coming down to another liquidity zone. We can expect AUD USD at least to come back down to this doji, where there's a monthly doji and high liquidity area. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that there is significant bearish price action as well, starting with the same resistance zone. On the monthly there is a strong drop followed by this correction with this weekly doji. We saw that again AUD USD has formed another bearish candle. Now we saw quite a few weeks of consolidation and long week candle at the top, giving a potential for selling opportunity on AUD USD. We saw that every time the price is creating series of lower high, and finally previous week a narrow doji has given the buyers a very exhaustion, and we saw sellers has come to the market, created series of lower high, and currently has broken this support zone on the weekly time frame, and we could see that this market coming down at least to this monthly level of support. And with that said, let's look at the daily. Now if we look at the daily price section, we can see that typical downtrending market structure with this impulse correction, and we have seen there was a long consolidation along this zone has given AUD USD a very high probability for a bigger drop towards the downside. As in this daily consolidation we saw that AUD USD has formed a double top here, and then with this bearish engulfer has dropped again, correction drop. Now previous day we saw that AUD USD has formed a narrow doji on the daily. After crossing this high of this daily doji, what we saw that AUD USD now breaking all this level of support, as there isn't any significant support we can see except this one here with this weekly candle, as the momentum is high, and we saw that there was a significant consolidation. We can expect AUD USD to break this support and to come back to this monthly zone where there is a high liquidity area. So let's look at further lower time frame for an entry opportunity. As you can see, there was a middleman formation early today, and this is where we have entered a sell trade which is still running in profit, and we will be waiting for another entry opportunity. Now, what we are expecting in the news announcement to give us some kind of pullback to the upside on the lower time frame. As soon as we will find that, according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider going short on AUD, USD to take this move to the downside with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.